Hey, what's up, you guys? Adrian Williams here. Thank you for checking out this video. Inside this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start your own affiliate marketing business in 2022. So be sure to stick around to the very end of this video because you don't want to miss any step on how to start your own affiliate marketing business. So with that being said, guys, we are inside the Affinity Processing Group, and these are some of the people that are getting results on a consistent basis. We got Daria, who just got another $50 commission, got somebody started a few hours ago. We have Kev, who just earned his first he earned a $300 commission, getting someone signed up on the pro level. And one of my good friends here, James Fumble, he's earned over $20,000 in his first few months of starting with the Affinity Processing System. Some of my results, guys, I'm just going to refresh my account. And as you guys can see, in the last 4 weeks, I have been able to earn a little over $2,500 with using the same system, affiliate marketing. So with that being said, how do you get started with affiliate marketing, and what does it take to be great at affiliate marketing? So a lot of times, a lot of people think that it's hard to get started with affiliate marketing, but basically you first have to have a business. If you don't have a business, then you don't have anything to promote. You can actually get started for free by going to a few different websites like Amazon. You can go to Walmart. You can just Google any of your favorite brands or any product or service that you like and that you trust enough to refer to your friends or people in general that run across you on social media. And what you do is you go to those websites and you sign up to become an affiliate, and then you start promoting that affiliate link on the social media platforms. You can utilize Facebook, you can utilize Instagram, you can utilize TikTok, and also my personal favorite, you can utilize YouTube. All of these platforms is a place where you can brand yourself and get exposure to the product or service that you are offering in exchange for a commission every time you get a sign up. And that's basically how affiliate marketing works. It's not really complicated. And in the beginning process, I would encourage anyone who's just starting out with affiliate marketing to just get started with a simple business. It doesn't have to be a high ticket business. It can be a low ticket opportunity, so you can have minimum investment inside that opportunity. And then what you do is you get your feet wet. You learn the process. You learn the social media platforms. You learn how to promote and brand and market yourself on these social media platforms so you can get results. So with that being said, if you would like to know more about how to start your own affiliate marketing business in 2022 and hit the ground running, then click the link below this video and check out the free video training that I share with you all that goes further in depth on how to start affiliate marketing in 2022. Be sure to like and share this video, and for more tips on affiliate marketing and all the other tricks of the trades of running your own online business, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.